Okay guys, karon magluto na punta og ginisang or adobong kangkong. Okay, so first, saute the garlic. Simple na kay nga this guys, pero lami kay vegetables. Okay guys, saute the garlic. And then, after I did not use the stock, so this one, okay. Some water. Okay. Okay guys, look at the tune guys. It's yummy na. Oh. Okay. Okay guys, so this is our adobong kangkong is done guys. Okay, so that's our adobong kangkong is done guys, and it's super yummy. I'm gonna off the heat na para dili ma overcook. Okay, so let's taste it guys. It's yummy guys. It's still crunchy because I did not cook it so for a long time. So dili ni siya. You don't need to cook it for a long time because it's very it will cook right away. Okay, so that's our adobong kangkong is done. It's very yummy guys. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, DBroja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching!